Hello and welcome to Gitlab. If you're watching this video, you have probably made it through a pretty rigorous interview process. So congratulations, we are thrilled to have you here. My name is Nick. I am one of the SDR leads slash managers here at Gitlab. I was one of the first outbound sales development reps and super encouraged with Gitlab investing in a sales development program and growing it. Wanted to walk you through in this video kind of what you should expect or what you should be doing on your first day. This is going to give you an understanding of kind of the culture, the GitLab website, and the handbook. We will go in a later video over specifically the SDR outbound function, but this video is going to serve a purpose to guide you through the people operations section, the marketing operations section, the outbound handbook, as well as the sales handbook. Throughout this series of onboarding videos, you will also be going through, specific sales training and sales development training relating to kind of the industry, the sales skills that you have, and kind of the tools and the cadence management sets that we use here at GitLab. If anything is not found in the handbook, or if you have any questions, please reach out to your manager or your team lead. To kind of share your screen, I want to show you a bit of things that you should be looking at. If you've made it through this process, you do know we are a platform and we're an application for the entire DevOps or software development lifecycle. So go through this website, understand that we're open source, so this community is going to be at least 1,800 developers that are constantly iterating on our product. And the other thing and other kind of parts of the handbook you should be looking at on your first day are going to be the people operations section. This is going to talk to you a lot about setting up kind of the payroll, how Bamboo HR works, how TriNet works. If there's something in the handbook that's missing, that you have questions that are specifically related to people operations, submit a merge request and tag the appropriate individual or department with that. Another thing you want to look through is going to be the outbound SDR handbook. What this is going to show is kind of your role, the expectations. I'm not going to go too involved in this because we'll go through it in a later video over what I expect in an SDR on my team. Also look through the marketing operations. Look through kind of like the tools we use, who's responsible for the tools at GitLab. This is going to help kind of get these tools set up as you begin kind of your SDR work and your prospecting work. Lastly, what I would encourage you to look at on your first day is going to be the sales handbook. What's the elevator pitch? Are we similar to GitHub? What's the benefit? These are going to be very, very integral in how you do sales development work, as you are going to be really the person that first faces the contact or the lead that you're going after. So kind of look through these pitches and start to get better acclimated with the industry and what you're going to be selling. Again, we are extremely happy to have you here at GitLab. If you have any immediate questions, please reach out to your manager or your team lead, and welcome to the team.